Why hello there, and it's me again with the damn CD player, only this time it's looking a bit more buttoned up and overall much more cooler looking than the mess of wires that it used to be in the previous one. So yeah, I did basically make actually a second one of those. The first one is in my rack up there, but it's like a little looser, a little worse for wear, you know, first time build, all that. Second time build is, yeah, definitely much more cleaner, kind of like a proper hi-fi component. And for those who are new here, let me just show it off once again. There's not much that changed in terms of software and whatnot, same old vacuum fluorescent display. And it's now got also a cover for the drive tray. The menu, sadly or luckily, it doesn't have any apps, so all the settings you have to do on the screen. And if you go, we are going to this settings, we are up to version 1.2.2e, and we have a few kilobytes free memory on the internal thing because, well, I didn't run my collection through this one just yet. So let's start with the boring stuff first. Let's start with Bluetooth, which is, as you might have guessed, a simple Bluetooth speaker. You just go into your music app on your phone and you click play and you bump the volume up a notch and you hear whatever's playing on your phone. You can play and pause on the remote. You can play and pause from the front panel. Yeah, it just plays whatever's on your phone. Slightly less broken mode is slightly less boring mode, sorry, is the radio mode, which gives you a bunch of radio stations, 6 in total. You can just type in the URLs and whatnot, and you then click on one and it starts playing. Once it gets the stream going, it gets the song title and whatnot. You can use the remote to switch between stations. So like I just click one here and just swoops to the right to the first preset, and there you go. It should get the preset in just a moment. Yep, definitely UK hardcore right there. But the fanciest thing is the actual CD mode, which let me enter just now. I click eject on the remote, and in here we have a Hatsune Miku Magical Mirai 2023 compilation for this time. So this CD does not have CD text. Despite that, since this is connected to Wi-Fi, it can pick up the track names and titles and whatever. But let's, for example, go to track number 4. We can just press the button on the remote and then we can just hit play. Yep, those are honest to goodness synced lyrics on a damn CD player. How's that for a CD player in 2025? And if we go up here on the computer, you can see I have my Last.fm open. Now I've reloaded the page and it's exactly this track being played right now. Yep. And if we like click on this track here, yeah, you can see the album is exactly the one we have here. Of course you can turn the lyrics off. You can also set the thing to shuffle. and you can click like next, and then it will shuffle to another song. Shuffle all around the disk. And you can like do metadata previews and all that. Select one you want and play from there. No program play just yet, but I mean, you can also do fast forward and rewind. This one is janky a little bit because turns out not all CD drives support fast forward and rewind commands. But yep, that's the thing wrapped up, and see you hopefully in the next video with some update to the project, aside from like this looks slick in my opinion. Oh, and if you're curious, the front panel is a PCB actually, and this was just like a cutout made in the PCB. The top is PVC film, same with the sides, PVC film, all wrapped around MDF. And yeah, that's the ESP32 project phase 1 successfully wrapped up, and see you around. Cheers.